Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the division board. This fantastic Montessori material helps children grasp the concept of division through hands-on experience. It's designed to make abstract mathematical ideas concrete and understandable. You'll see how to share a total quantity, called the dividend, into equal groups, represented by the divisor, using the board's components. To begin, you'll set up your division problem on the board. First, place the green Skittles into the holes at the top. The number of Skittles you use will represent your divisor or how many equal groups you are making. For example, if you are dividing by 3, you will use 3 Skittles. Next, count out the total number of green beads that represent your dividend. Now, let's perform the division. Take your dividend beads and begin distributing them, one bead at a time, to each Skittle. Go around in a cycle, ensuring each Skittle receives an equal share. Continue this until all the beads are distributed. The number of beads that each individual Skittle has received represents your quotient, which is the answer to your division problem. Sometimes, you might have a few beads left over after distributing them equally among the Skittles. These leftover beads are called the remainder. The division board makes understanding remainders very clear and tangible. This method offers a powerful visual and tactile experience, helping learners truly internalize the meaning of division and prepare for more advanced mathematical operations.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.